22-year-old climate activist Disha Ravi, whose arrest last month earned the Delhi police one of its most embarrassing judicial rebukes in recent times and triggered an international outcry about the crackdown on dissent in India, released her first statement on Saturday. Picked up by the police late in the night on February 13th from her Bengaluru home in connection with an online document that canvassed support for the farmers' protest, she was granted bail 10 days later by a Delhi court that shamed the police for their scanty and sketchy evidence. In a statement published on her social media pages on Saturday evening, Disha Ravi detailed her arrest and custody, saying she felt her autonomy had been violated and she had been pronounced guilty by rating Sangri news channels. While tweeting the statement, Disha Ravi said, "I am letting this out into the internet void in order to present a narrative that is my own. P.S. This is based on my personal experience and does not represent the opinion of any climate movement, group or organization." In her statement, Disha Ravi said, "All that is real feels far too unreal. Delhi's infamous smog, the cyber police station, Deen Dayal Hospital, Patiala House Court and Tihar Jail. In all the years that someone had asked me where I see myself in 5 years, I would have never answered jail, but here I was. I kept asking myself what it felt like to be there at that particular moment in time, but I came back with no answers. I had coerced myself into believing that the only way I would be able to live through this was by tricking myself into thinking that this wasn't happening to me. The police did not knock on my door on 13 February 2021. They did not take my phone and laptop and arrest me. They did not present me at Patiala House Court. The media personnel were not trying to find a place inside the room. As I stood in that courtroom, desperately searching for my lawyers, I came to terms with the fact that I would have to defend myself. I had no idea whether there was legal assistance available, so when the judge asked me if I have anything to say, I decided to speak my mind. Before I knew it, I was sent to 5 days in police custody. It is no surprise that in the days that followed, my autonomy was violated, my photographs were splashed all over the news, my actions were pronounced guilty, not in the court of law, but on flat screens by seekers of TRPs. I sat there unaware of many abstractions made of me in order to satiate their idea of me. At the end of the day, 5 days, I was shifted to judicial custody for 3 days. In Tihar, I was aware of every second of every minute of every hour of every day. Locked in my cell, I wondered when it became a crime to think the most basic elements of sustenance on this planet were as much as mine as theirs. Why were millions paying the ultimate price for the greed of few hundred? Their interest in the lives of those millions is dependent on whether or not they profit, and even that interest has a short shelf life. Unfortunately, so does humanity if we do not act in the time to stop this endless consumption and greed. We are inching closer to our own expiry. I also realized during my time in custody that most people knew little or nothing about climate activism or climate justice. My grandparents, who are farmers, indirectly birthed my climate activism. I had to bear witness to how the water crisis affected them, but my work was reduced to tree plantation drives and cleanups, which are important but not the same as struggling for survival. Climate justice is about intersectional equity. It is about being radically inclusive of all groups of people so that everyone has access to clean air, food and water. As a dear friend always says, climate justice isn't just for the rich and the white. It is a fight alongside those who are displaced, whose rivers have been poisoned, whose lands were stolen, who watch their houses get washed away every other season, and those who fight tirelessly for what are basic human rights. We fight alongside those actively silenced by the masses and portrayed as voiceless because it is easier for Savarnas to call them voiceless. We take the easy way out and fund saviorism rather than amplify the voices on ground. The immense outpour of love from the people gave me strength. I am grateful for everyone who stood by me. The past few days have been beyond painful, yet I know that I am one of the privileged. I was lucky enough to have excellent pro bono legal assistance, but what of all those who do not? What of all those still in jail whose stories are not marketable? What of the marginalized that are not worthy of your screen time? What of those who face the world's brazen indifference? Although their physical forms are trapped behind bars because of our collective silence, their ideas continue to live on, as will the united resistance of the people. Ideas do not die, and truth, no matter how long it takes, always reveals itself. We are threatened every day, our voice is crushed, but we will continue to fight. Still fighting for climate justice, Disha A. Ravi.
Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.